Okay, so for Unit 2, review, that's where we talked about parallel lines, linear pair angles, vertical angles, angle sum theorem of a triangle. So that kind of ties everything into one problem in this one. It says in the figure, AB is parallel to CD, so I'm going to mark it. Okay, and BC is parallel to AE. Okay, it says let AD equal ABD equal 3x plus 4. So angle ABD, this angle right here, is 3x plus 4. Angle BCD, this angle right here, is 6x minus 8. And angle EDF is 7x minus 5. There are multiple ways to solve this problem. Essentially what we're trying to do is we need to figure out what the measure of angle BCD is. And in order to do that, we have to find out what x is. So we have to somehow get these angles to map up using parallel lines. We're given parallel lines, we're going to end up using those. Well, looking at this, I don't see any angles that match. I don't see any alternate interior angles between the three. I don't see any corresponding between the three. I don't see alternate exteriors between the three or same side interior between the three. I don't see any of those. So we have to move some things around. Okay? What I do notice, though, is right here, we have a triangle. Okay? So if we can get all three of these angles inside that triangle, that might help us solve this problem as well. Okay? Well, to get my purple angle, 3x plus 4 in the triangle, I notice that here's its alternate interior angle. So if this angle right here is 3x plus 4, then its alternate interior angle is going to be 3x plus 4. I notice that this angle and this angle are the same because they're corresponding. So the bottom angle is 7x minus 20. This top angle is going to be 7x minus 20 because corresponding angles are the same. So now I have all three of these angles inside that triangle, and it might help if you draw it off to the side. This is 6x minus 8. This is 3x plus 4. And that is 7x minus 20. I got all those angles inside that triangle. Now that they're all inside of a triangle, I know that all the angles of a triangle add to 180. So I can add all three of these together. And then set them equal to 180. And then solve. When we solve, combine our x's. So we get 7x plus 6x plus 3x. We get 16x. And then we get negative 20 minus 8 plus 4. That gives us negative 24. Move the 12 over. Or sorry, not 12, 24 over. So I get 16x is equal to 204. To get x by itself, I'm going to divide by 16. And when I do that, 204 divided by 16, I believe is, I think it's 4. We're going to plug this in my calculator. Can't do it in my head right now. 204 divided by 16. Yes. 204 divided by 16. And we get 12.75. That's what I thought it was. 12.75. Well, you have to be very careful. This is what x equals. And the directions want to know what's the measure of angle BCD. So what you have to do is take 12.75 and plug it in for BCD. So we get 6 times 12.75 minus 8. So when I plug it in, I get 6 times 12.75 minus 8. And I get 68.5. So the measured angle BCD is 68.5 degrees, and that is your answer. When asked for an angle or a segment, you have to plug x back in for that angle or segment, and then that is your answer. Okay? You need to go and do the Unit 1 and Unit 2 quiz on Canvas.